1960 Jeep FC150. It was my wife's father's. He bought it brand new in 1959, so it's been in the family for 60 years. And it's my daily driver. I drive it every day. So it has it's a cab over, which the FC stands for forward control. It's a 1.5 ton cab over with the doghouse in the middle. It has the F head, so the F-134 Hurricane F head, and it's the same frame as a CJ5 with slightly wider axles. Because it's a forward control, it has a counterweight in the back so it doesn't fall forward, and it has a little bit of a lower first gear for pulling things out. There's not a lot of them. I think they made about 10,000, but they were used all the time, so they're really beat down when you see them. We love it.
You want
the show inside?
Sure.
Yeah. So it's got 12 forward gears. It's got a split overdrive and then 4 high, 4 low. And then to lead, the differential in the back's a Dana 44 and the front's a Dana 23.